Hi, today I'd like to introduce you to Nikon 85mm f1.4 D lens. This lens is primarily designed for either low light condition or portraits, because you can go up to 1.4, and also you can create a shallow depth of field with this aperture. This lens is actually designed for full frame in the film era. It's designed pretty old now, around like 13 years old, but the quality is still up to date to current situation. So this lens is really good for either FX or DX mode, DX camera, such as D90 or D700 or D3. But because this is like AF lens, it doesn't have a built-in autofocus motor. You cannot use it in the. You can use it in the D60 or D40, but you lose the ability to autofocus. So generally, the build quality of this lens very good. It's kind of metal built and solid in the hand, but a little bit heavy. 561 gram for this class. The focusing distance is the closest is 85.85 meter, or around almost 3 feet. To switch to manual focus, we need to switch to push the button here, and then switch it to auto A, or switch it back to manual. And also there has like aperture ring that you can set it manually if you like. The lens will come with the lens hood, which is also the metal construction, but the downside of this lens hood is you cannot reverse it like other modern type lens hood, because it uses like the filter thread to get in. Here's the lens hood with the lens. So about the performance, the lens really sharp in the center at 1.4 to 2.8. If you wanted to get edge-to-edge sharpness, you need to go up to around like 4 or f5.6. And in the full frame, it's the depth of field is more shallower, so you need to be careful in 1.4. You need to really focus in precise spot. If you focus, you miss the focus, and then the entire image will be soft. And then for sports or fast action photography, this lens is pretty lousy at that, because it cannot effectively track the movement. It's really slow compared to other lens. So about the size, I have some comparison for you guys. There's a Nikon 50mm, the cheapest Nikon lens, 50mm 1.8. The size is very small compared to this one, but 85mm lens is generally small if you compare with 70-200 zoom lens, which is this big, with the hood reverse. So a lot of time when I don't like to carry like a big zoom like this, 70-200, I just use 85mm for a walk around and artistic shot. So that's about it. And if you have any question, or you like to see some samples of the lens, you can look at my review in my website radiantlight.com, and I'll see you there. Bye bye.